Welcome to my latest collection of resin inlay molds. Whether you're a seasoned crafter or just starting your resin journey, these designs are created with both creativity and functionality in mind. Each inlay has been carefully designed to help you create stunning, professional quality pieces. Let me walk you through these exciting new additions that will take your resin crafting to the next level. First up is our heartwarming To My Teacher inlay, featuring a classic school bus design. Perfect for creating personalized teacher appreciation gifts, this mold captures the spirit of education with its charming details. The bus silhouette includes adorable windows filled with students, making it ideal for crafting memorable end-of-year presents, thank you tokens, or special occasion keepsakes for those amazing educators in our lives. And next, we have our versatile birthday celebration inlay set. This beautiful scallop design comes complete with individual number molds from 0 through 9, allowing you to customize the age for any birthday creation. The elegant circular frame provides the perfect backdrop for your chosen numbers, making it ideal for personalized birthday keepsakes, cake toppers, or commemorative pieces. The possibilities are endless with this customizable set. For all the football fans out there, we're excited to present our football-themed inlay collection. This comprehensive set includes 4 detailed football molds and 4 matching helmet designs, perfect for creating game day decorations, sports memorabilia, or fan gear. Whether you're crafting for the big game, making team celebrations, or creating personalized gifts for the sports enthusiast in your life, this versatile set has you covered. Introducing our captivating Star Wars Villains Silicone Inlay Collection. This set of 3 features iconic dark side characters, perfect for adding a touch of galactic intrigue to your resin projects. Meticulously crafted, each inlay captures the distinct features and menacing expressions of these legendary antagonists. Whether you're creating decorative pieces, serving trays, or one-of-a-kind keepsakes, these premium silicone inlays will bring an exciting Star Wars flair to your creations. Unlock the power of the dark side with this remarkable inlay set. This Stocking Snowman Surprise Silicone Inlay Set, featuring 4 identical designs of a delightful snowman peeking out from a stocking. These charming inlays are perfect for creating a cohesive holiday-themed look across your resin projects, whether you're making decorative platters, coasters, or other festive pieces. The uniform size and consistent design make it easy to incorporate these snowman inlays into a variety of creative applications. Capture the whimsical spirit of the season with this delightful set of silicone inlays. Next up is our playful Trolls-inspired inlay set. These adorable character silhouettes capture the whimsical charm of these beloved characters, complete with their signature wild hairstyles. Each mold features intricate details that bring these fun-loving characters to life, perfect for creating magical accessories, children's room decor, or adding a touch of whimsy to any craft project. Moving on to our prehistoric pals. This Jurassic collection features 4 distinctive dinosaur designs, including a majestic Brachiosaurus, fierce T-Rex, powerful Triceratops, and spiky Stegosaurus. Each mold captures the unique characteristics of these prehistoric creatures, from their distinctive silhouettes to their detailed features, perfect for creating dinosaur-themed room decor, educational projects, or adding some prehistoric charm to your crafting adventures. These versatile inlays are sure to be a roaring success with dinosaur enthusiasts of all ages. Capture the holiday spirit with the Santa Fe Silicone Inlay Set. This set features 4 identical Santa designs, perfect for adding a festive touch to platters, coasters, and wall art. The intricate detailing and dimensional quality of the rosy-cheeked, fluffy-bearded faces bring a charming, 3-dimensional appeal to your resin creations. Incorporate the iconic image of Santa Claus into your larger format projects this season. Elevate your resin projects with the Maple Leaf Silicone Inlay Set. This nature-inspired collection features 4 identical maple leaf designs, perfect for platters, coasters, and wall art. The intricate detailing adds stunning organic elegance, while the uniform size ensures easy incorporation. Bring the beauty of the outdoors into your creations with this premium silicone inlay set. For all the artists and crafters out there, we present our paintbrush inlay collection. These realistic brush designs come in a set of 4, each capturing the classic shape of a flat paintbrush. Perfect for art-themed serving trays, coasters, wall art, or decorative panels that celebrate the creative spirit. Introducing our layered star inlay collection. These elegant celestial designs come in sets of 8, featuring both double and triple layer options. Each star is meticulously crafted with perfectly nested layers that create stunning dimensional effects. The clean, crisp details and professional layering make these stars ideal for jewelry, decorative pieces, and any project needing that extra touch of magic. Handcrafted from premium silicone, they're perfect for resin artists and crafters looking to add a bit of stellar beauty to their creations. Meet our adorable sitting dog inlay collection. These charming silicone inlays come in a set of 4, featuring a sweet pup in a playful sitting pose. Each inlay captures delightful details from the perked-up ears to the curled tail, making them perfect for pet-themed memorial pieces or any project celebrating our 4-legged friends. These versatile designs are ideal for resin crafters looking to add a touch of puppy love to their creations. Bring the magic of the carnival home with our carousel horse silicone inlay collection. These enchanting designs come in a set of 4, each capturing the classic beauty of vintage merry-go-round steeds in mid-gallop. Perfect for creating stunning platters, decorative signs, coasters, and wall art pieces. Each inlay features graceful details from the flowing mane to the lifted hooves, adding that perfect nostalgic touch to your larger resin projects. Handcrafted from premium silicone, these inlays help you create show-stopping pieces that capture the timeless charm of the fairground. Enter a world of enchantment with our Princess Castle silicone inlay set. These magical designs come in a set of 4, featuring a charming fairy tale castle complete with soaring turrets and delicate stone detailing. Each inlay captures the essence of storybook architecture, from the detailed brickwork to the regal towers, perfect for creating enchanting serving platters, wall art, coasters, and decorative pieces that bring a touch of fantasy to any room. These premium silicone inlays are ideal for crafting magical resin projects fit for royalty. Introducing the Halloween favorites silicone inlay set. This spooky collection features a playful cat, a ghost, a witch's head, and a witch on a broom. Perfect for adding a festive touch to your projects. Get ready to enchant your creations this Halloween. Celebrate the unsung heroes of our daily commute with the school bus silicone inlay set from our back-to-school collection. This set features 4 delightful school bus designs honoring the dedicated bus drivers who safely transport our children. Add a heartfelt touch to your projects and show appreciation for those who keep our journeys safe. Set sail for adventure with the Pirate Halloween silicone inlay set from our Spooky Seas collection. This fun set features a treasure chest overflowing with gold, a classic pirate ship, and a mischievous pirate skull. Perfect for adding a touch of swashbuckling spirit to your Halloween projects. Get in the game with the Mixed Sports Silicone Inlay Bundle. This set includes 8 pieces featuring 4 popular sport ball designs: baseball, basketball, soccer, and football. Perfect for sports enthusiasts and customizable projects, these inlays will add a dynamic touch to your creations. Score big with this versatile bundle. From bring the whimsical world of No More Monkeys to life with this delightful silicone inlay set. Featuring charming designs of mischievous monkeys and playful elements, this set is perfect for creating fun and engaging projects that capture the spirit of the beloved children's story. Ideal for crafts, decorations, or gifts, this set will surely delight kids and adults alike. Spread joy with the large smiley face silicone inlay set from our Happy Face collection. This set includes 4 cheerful smiley face designs, perfect for brightening up any project. Larger than our smaller set, these inlays are ideal for crafts, decorations, or gifts that bring a smile to everyone's face. Let your creativity shine with these delightful designs. Capture the essence of autumn with the Maple Leaf Silicone Inlay set from our Autumn Resin Craft collection. This set includes 4 beautifully detailed maple leaf designs, perfect for enhancing your seasonal crafts and decor. Ideal for resin projects, these inlays will add a touch of fall charm to any creation, celebrating the vibrant colors and crispness of the season. Unleash your creativity with the Polly Pocket-inspired silicone inlay set. This charming collection features 4 character designs in 2 sizes, perfect for adding a playful touch to your projects. Ideal for fans of the iconic toy, these inlays will inspire imaginative crafts and decor. Bring back the nostalgia and fun of Polly Pocket with every creation.